following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Listen.
This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Drugs, and she refused to go see anyone in the medical profession.
The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
For listening to WDFA The Blizzard. We are currently conducting an automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.